Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Harriet Mhlanga and I'm back with another video today. If you are subscribed, thank you for tuning in. If you're not subscribed, please do click that subscribe button and make sure you join the glam squad. I'm gonna give you some seconds to subscribe. Welcome back to the sisterhood. Thank you so much for subscribing and I hope you stay tuned for this video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the basics of makeup. Basically what you need when you want to apply a basic look, and yeah, so let's okay, so a lot of you have been asking me what I need for me to achieve a good look. So this is what we're going to be talking about in today's video. So firstly, I'm just going to show you what you need and then how you're going to apply. Here I'm going to do a basic look with the products that I would have introduced to you in this video. So firstly, what you need, we need a pencil, like a brown pencil. This is a Black Opal brown eyeliner pencil. You need any brown pencil. You should do your eyebrows with a brown pencil. They should look natural and not too dramatic. If they're too dark, then you look more like a doll. So your eyebrows should be natural and light all the time. No matter if you're trying to achieve a very glamorous look, you should try to use a brown eyebrow pencil. So you need a brown eyebrow pencil to draw your eyebrows. Next up, you need a concealer. I'm sure you see that I use this in most of my videos. So you need a concealer, and this is the LA Girl Pro concealer. This is the easiest concealer that you can find, and it's the most convenient one that you can use. It's also very affordable. You can find it in drug stores like pharmacies. Yeah, so we're done with our eyebrows. This is basically what you need to use your eyebrows. However, you need your brushes. So I'm going to introduce these brushes. These are amazing brushes. So they come in a very nice packaging and it's very cute, very easy to store your brushes in. I'm going to open it and it looks like this. So it comes with all these brushes, the fluffy brushes, the foundation brushes, the ones for the eyeshadows, the ones for the eyebrows, the whole set. So it's basically a set, and I bought it in Harare, Avondale at Lemon Pharmacy. I don't know if you know where Lemon Pharmacy is, but it was going for $18 the time I bought this. So this is very convenient and it's very easy to use, like so convenient, guys. This is a must. It's a need, it's a must, and it's cute as well. So you need this. In the brush set, you will find this little brush. It's flat, it's got flat bristles, and it's very easy to use. It's very flat, it's like that. And you use this, I use this to apply my concealer when I'm cleaning my eyebrows. So you need your brown pencil for your eyebrows, you need your brown pencil, you need your concealer, and you need this flat concealer brush. It's so easy to use when you're cleaning up your eyebrows. So when you're now shaping and cleaning up your eyebrows, you use this little brush. Next up, we're going to go into our eyeshadows. So I'm going to show you what you need for your eyeshadows, for your eye look, for your eye makeup. Yeah. So for your eye makeup, you need an eyeshadow palette. So I use the Huda Beauty palette. I've got quite a number of palettes, but I love this palette. It's a Huda Beauty palette and it has so many colors. These are mostly neutral shimmer colors, so it's very easy and very convenient. Wherever you're going, you can just apply this and it will be very easy for you. So this one, you can buy this one. And then the brush that you can use for your eyeshadows, I have this brush. It's tiny, it's got fluffy bristles, and then it's got these ones on the other side. So it's a double-sided brush. So I use this to blend my eyeshadows whenever I'm applying and blending. Then when I want to apply more color, if I want my eyeshadows to be more pigmented, I use this side of the brush. Especially when I'm applying in my crease, it's very easy and it packs on the eyeshadow onto my eyes. So this one is for blending the outer side of my eyes. We're going to talk more about this in our next video, but this is the eyeshadow brush that I use. Next up, after we're done with our eyeshadows, of course, we're going to apply some mascara, and I use this mascara, this one. I'm sure you've seen me use this one in most of my videos. This is the Essence Get Big Volume Lashes. It's pigmented. I love it. It makes my eyelashes look cute. Right now I don't have any artificial eyelashes, but I'm sure you can like see what's going on in my eyes, and you can also clearly see. It makes the look pop, it makes the look more nicer, and it makes everything going, makes you look pretty. So I'm now going to go in and talk about my face. So for your face, you need a primer first. So you need to go in with primer. It closes, it erases your pores, so that when you apply the other products, they do not exactly sink into your pores and cause damage to your skin. So I usually use this primer. It closes my pores so that whenever I apply everything else, it doesn't get into my skin. So this basically just protects your skin and creates a base for your skin to basically accept all the other products. So this is a must, and I use this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser primer, and I love this. It's also quite affordable. You can find it in drugstores as well. This one, you need it. Next up, I'm going to talk about foundation. So after applying my primer, I go in with my Maybelline Superstay foundation. I love this foundation. It's a full coverage foundation. It stays on for 24 hours and it's in the shade Chestnut. So when you're buying foundation, you need to buy a foundation that is your shade. I'm gonna do a video that talks about selecting the right foundation for your skin, and in a whole separate video, but you need foundation. After applying my foundation, I go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. So this concealer, you use it to highlight. So you use it for your eyebrows. That's what I basically use it for. I use it for my eyebrows, to clean up my eyebrows, and then I also use it to highlight my T-zone area. So my T-zone area is basically the under eyes. So it's basically this part, the under eyes, the chin, the nose, and the forehead. So not entirely the whole forehead, but just a little portion of the forehead, so that you highlight those areas as well. So it also helps in contouring. So that's what I use to highlight my T-zone area. When you're selecting your concealer, I usually like to go 2 shades lighter than my foundation. So your foundation is basically your actual skin tone shade, right? And then when you're buying concealer, I usually like to get 2 shades lighter than my foundation. So this is the one. And then next up, I'm going to be talking about contouring. There's a contour palette. If you go into a drugstore, you can get a contour palette, and that can help you. So when you're contouring, you're basically trying to make your skin look thinner, your face look thinner. Right now I did not contour my face, so it basically looks the same. But when you're contouring, you contour your here in these areas. So you contour in these areas and your forehead, the outer areas of your face as well, just to darken those areas and highlight the T-zone area. So what I use to contour my skin, my face, is I use a brown shade and I don't like to use a very dark brown shade to contour. So in this palette, I use this shade to contour my skin, and I don't like my contour to be very dark, and I don't like it to be very light, but you have to see that there's some contour going on. So this is what I use as well, and to contour my nose to make it look thin and snatched. So this is basically what I use to contour my nose. So I basically get an eyeshadow palette that has everything. That's convenient for me because, you know, I'm not about to spend this money. No, honey. So I've got this Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder. It's very easy, and translucent powder is very convenient because it applies to all skin types. Let me show you how it looks. It's whitish pinkish on the inside, so anybody can use it. Even a dark skinned girl can use it, even a light skinned girl can use it. Anybody can use this. That's the advantage of getting translucent powder. But when you're using powder, you are baking your foundation. It's basically it's basically avoiding or taking away the oils in your foundation so that your foundation lasts longer. Have you ever noticed that whenever you apply your foundation and you don't apply any powder, during the day you'll find that your face will get oily, and your face, the foundation will start getting khaki, so you can see patches where the foundation is and also where it's not. So it starts spreading and it starts smudging and it becomes a whole lot of a mess. So I like to use this Absolute Translucent Powder from Yardley, but you can use this banana powder. You can use this, it also works the same. There's banana powder. You can use your face powder. It also works because you're just basically trying to take out the oils from the foundation. So that's basically what I use it for. So I use this. If you don't have translucent powder, face powder, don't stress yourself, honey. Just use baby powder. The Johnson's & Johnson's baby powder. It also works the same. It's basically, the job is the same. Next up, I'm gonna be talking about blush. So when you're basically applying your blush and highlight, so have you ever noticed that when I have this shiny, shimmery something that's making me look good? So this is basically highlighter. And also I applied some blush. When you're applying some blush, it's, you know, it's for that impact. When you smile, your cheeks are just there and it looks like you're just on their blush level. You look good, honey. Like, oh, I see you. So that's some blush right there. So I use blush, and I like using this color. It looks very light on camera, but it's actually a bit darker than that. So I use this blush, and then I go in with this highlighter. So when I'm done applying my blush, I go on top of the blush with some goldish shimmery highlight. This is my favorite. I love it. It makes everything look good, and it also goes well with my skin. So it's not too light, it's not too dark. I just love the way it looks. But you can buy a different blush set, you can buy a different highlight set. They're separate. They're companies that create them separately. So if you go into a shop like MAC, you can ask them blush palette, blush palette, highlight, all those different kinds of stuff. If you go in Discam, the same thing. If you go in Clicks, it's also the same thing. So I love using this. It's convenient for me. Very convenient. Oh yes, for brushes, I forgot to talk about blenders. So this is a blender. Blenders are important. So they help you to blend. I use this to apply my powder when I'm baking, and also even to blend your foundation. It's very easy. Some people find this very easy to apply your foundation more than the brushes. Yeah, more than the brushes. So you can try both. You can try brushes, you can try the blender, and see what works for you. Second from last, I love using, I've got lipsticks. So I'm gonna show you these lipsticks. So there's this red one, it's also from Avon. It's the one that I'm wearing right now. So this is how it looks. It's a bit glossy, so I don't mind, I like it. And then there's this one. This one is a nude lipstick, and it's a L'Oreal lipstick. So you can get your lipsticks from anywhere, literally, but I prefer getting my lipsticks in drugstores. I love drugstores. They're very affordable, they're very convenient for me, especially for somebody like me who's starting, like who just finished school and trying to get their life together. It's very convenient. So yeah, this is the L'Oreal Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick, and it's in the shade 842 Candyman. I love this lipstick. I use it in most of my videos, in most of my looks. I use this lipstick. I love it. I love this lipstick. A lady needs some gloss, like a lady needs some shine on her lips once in a while. So I have this crystal shine lip gloss, and it's pink. It's in the shade NFA 073, and it's pink, but it's got this goldish shine to it. So I love this lip gloss. I love it. Even just applying it without applying any lipstick underneath, it's amazing. I love this lip gloss. So lastly, the last thing I'm gonna talk to you about, what you need, is setting spray. So recently I've been using this e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and setting spray. I love the setting spray. It just does the things. Before I was using a Revolution setting spray, so I love it. You can get any setting spray. I used a signature setting spray. I used the e.l.f. I used the Revolution setting spray. So you can use different setting sprays. You can also get it from drugstores. And I love these setting spray. It just sets the whole makeup, makes it waterproof, so when you get rained on, honey, you're not gonna suffer. Need setting spray to basically set everything in, and then you are done with your whole look. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned a lot from all the things that you need to just get a look. So you don't really need a lot of things, guys, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Tell me what you want to see in the comment section. Like, what do you want me, what type of videos do you want me to bring to you? What type of videos do you want me to shoot? What exactly do you want me to do for you pertaining makeup or anything, guys? Thank you so much. I'm Harriet Mhlanga, and thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting, and please share the videos, guys. I love you so much. Let's get to 1K subscribers. I love you.